So my name is Paula Neth. I am the president and CEO of the Family Conservancy. Tonight is really about developing and sharing our compelling reasons why we are advocates for expanded legislative policy to support childcare. So we're going to spend some time tonight crafting your why statements. After you have some time to craft your why statement, we have legislators that are joining us this evening.
We are underpaid and not getting paid currently. It's already to the point where we get paid 45 days behind. I think it would be more beneficial for DESE to look into helping parents get that money ahead of time, or even providers ahead of time, so that we can care for those children throughout the month knowing that we've already been paid.
Why do we have to go through hoops, loops, and tricks to get some kind of help? I'm just wanting to speak up for parents that are not able to actually get childcare because they're embarrassed to go down to the DCF office, because that's how they make you feel. They make you feel as if, why are you here? Go get a job. But when you do get a job, finding childcare was like out of my league right now.
I was made aware that there are funds through DCF, the block funding from the federal government, that we aren't using. My goal would be to see that funding unlocked, the rules changed, the income brackets changed, so that more of my families would be able to qualify for those funds. And then in turn, as they can pay me, I can then turn around and pay a higher wage for my staff.
To provide funding, it has to be outside of the families and the program owners and the programs themselves. It needs to be where we can support our workers, we can provide education, we can support owners that stay open during critical crises.
The first 5 years of a child's life is the most important, and it's not just a job to me. But the problem is, people see us as babysitters. I have my degree in early education, and so I wish that we had a little bit more respect. You know, we do make a difference. So I just wish people could see that a little bit more.
We do so much teaching, and these are where the foundation of skills that you use for the rest of your lives are made when they're that young. I see the gaps in services as I experienced it directly when I was a teacher in the classroom, and now I support teachers in schools that are also facing these struggles. I like to say I'm the person that I wish I had when I was in the classroom.
I feel like every child should have access to quality childcare and quality education from a very early age. I feel like families are the backbone of our society, and we need to do what we can to support families so that caregivers can work. Our children are our future. That's where really we should be putting our time and our money.